I was there representing a club called Mothers, and I was stoned out of my ass. And they asked me to go get ice. They gave me the keys to a cruiser to go over to Kroger's.
Oh, you're kidding. The cops gave you the keys to their cruiser?
I wanted 10 bags of ice. They gave me the keys to a Crown Vic. To go over and get it. But yeah. Not only are you going to get me for DWI, you're going to get me for full account.
I did. I haven't made a picture. I've been trying to
Break time.
I made a styrofoam